Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As I said in my last one, making huge changes to my portfolio. Some companies are going out, some are coming in, and so I think it's the perfect time to just make a quick little 5-minute videos on how I pick stocks. So I have a fairly decent track record of investing in growth stocks. I was an early investor in Tesla, Amazon, Activision Blizzard, The Trade Desk, MongoDB, Bitcoin Chainlink, Square, Nvidia, Netflix, Domino's Pizza, so on, you name it. And I've probably made close to 40% a year since 2013. So here are my few points in a notebook. No fancy technical analysis, no big spreadsheets. I'm sorry, there's nothing fancy. And not a lot of quantifiable things, but I will go through my points, okay? So the number one thing I look for in a company is growth. So growth of revenue, subscribers, users, customers, you name it. I want the company to be on a healthy trajectory, have momentum, and also be able to grow in the future. So I look for ways the company can grow, new products they can come up with, they can expand into new markets, and so on. And I think a growth stock company equals a growth stock. I think it's that simple. Number two, I want it to be a leader, hopefully in a secular trend. So a growth company in a growing trend, that's double growth for you. I want the company to be the one to beat, with the best products, the best services, best quality in the business. Because again, I'm looking for companies with momentum, and I'm looking for companies to carry that momentum forwards instead of looking for turnarounds. Okay. I don't do any overlap, so the company needs to be different from the ones I already own. I also take a quick look at the balance sheet. I'm embarrassingly bad at numbers and stuff, so I have a quick look at free cash flow, revenue growth, cash in hand, maybe net income, and so on. This is more of a double check. If everything else checks out and the balance sheet is okay, I go for a buy. It needs to be an easy to understand business. If you can't explain a company in 20 seconds, you have no business investing. I need to know what they make money from, who they make money from, and how they can keep making money in the future. I also want the stock to show some volatility and be reactive. So I want the stock to react to the company's performance. So if there's good news, I want it to go up. Bad news, I want it to go down. Because predicting the movement of a stock price, I think it's impossible. But predicting what a company will do is a lot easier, because you can actually look at a bunch of factors. And if those two goes hand in hand, it makes investing a lot easier. Most important thing, I want the company to be innovative. I think this is the number one sign of a good company. If it has a good management, a good business plan, and a strong balance sheet, the company will innovate. It's just how it is. So I want them to improve and expand on current products and come up with new ones. It doesn't have to be Tesla or Amazon that disrupt major industries and turn things up and down. I just want new things to come out all the time, and it shows me that the company is working on becoming a better company in the future. A company that's standing still is a company that's going backwards. I preferably want it to be a US company. Doesn't have to. The US has a history of outperformance. It has a diverse workforce, stronger innovation, stronger capital markets, and they can also partner up with other US companies. And besides, it's the biggest domestic market, so preferably be US, but this is not a have to have point. At the end, I need to have a good gut feeling. When you've looked at all of this, I think it translates into gut feeling, and you know for certain whether you want to invest or not. So on the day before I click buy, the feeling has to be there, or I might end up ditching it, or actually just investing in a completely different company and decide in like 5 minutes. So feeling has to be there. Also, I completely disregard the bear case. I look for upside, not downside protection. When you've invested, it's already too late. I completely disregard all the FUD. Again, I don't believe that $1 saved is $1 earned. And there's always going to be a bear and bull case for every company. So you have to decide which one you go with. If you look at both and sort of take the average, you're just going to end up with average companies, I think. So look to the future, not to the past. This is how I pick stocks. Looks like the video is less than 5 minutes, or the whole video is more than 5 minutes, but the points took less than 5 minutes. That's the point of the video. So thanks for watching. Ask me if you have any questions how I pick stocks. Stay tuned for the upcoming why I'm buying videos on my new holdings. Thanks for watching. Hope I'll see you in my next one. Take care. See ya.